White coupe but a pecan, thick bitch Puerto Rican. Take you out to Paraguay or California for the weekend. I'm with Sack and Juvie, so you gotta bring about 3 friends. Don't flex, don't pretend, you know we spin the pen.
Hey guys, DerikaDashay here and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this ash blonde unit that I constructed. Also, I will leave everything in the description box as far as details go. And yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so we're just going to start off with having our cap on our heads. I have the light medium brown. I ordered mine from Amazon, so we're just going to cut a hole. I already had looked like a small hole near the ears. That's why I used this one, because I wasn't trying to use a new one. But you're just going to pretty much cut a small hole by your ear and then expand that hole to go over your ear. I hope that pretty much just watch what I'm doing, okay? So now we're just going to get our got to be spray. It's kind of like an adhesive. It's pretty sticky, pretty tacky, so we're just going to spray that on our hairlines. It's okay if it gets in your hair, like literally it will come right out. So I'm just spraying this along my hairline, a little bit in front of my hairline as well, until this gets nice and dry. So I think I put about 2 layers of this. It really doesn't matter, you don't have to put 2 layers, but I just want to make sure, you know, it was all the way down. So yeah. Alright, so now we're just going to go ahead and start blow drying it just to speed up the process a little bit. So I do have the blow dryer on cool. You don't want to burn yourself. And I'm just using the comb to press the cap into my skin just so I can get a more flawless look. And now that is dry, now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the center. I find me cutting in the center versus anywhere else on the cap, it's a little easier for me personally, but make sure you just do whatever is best for you, whatever is easiest. Make sure you don't have any dull scissors as well. You can use, you know, the razor blade. I know some people use the razor blade. I like using these scissors. They're pretty sharp and they cut pretty close, as you can see. But so I did cut a little bit too much on my sideburns, but it's okay because I don't really care to have like the long sideburns on my wig, so it's okay. I can still glue around where my hair is not at. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut this off. Make sure you're cutting super close to where the glue ends and where the rest of the cap meets. See, your girl's looking really bald and cute, you know. And then make sure you guys cut off the rest of the excess cap that's around your ear. Also, another thing, y'all, don't spray too much of the got to be spray because it will turn it white if you use too much. I did notice I used a little bit too much. That's why like some of the parts of the cap is like a little bit white or ashed out. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm pretty sure you guys can see it. So I would suggest not using as much as I did. So here I'm just making sure where I want to place my wig at, just placing it where I want it. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this brown liner pencil just so it's like super close to my skin complexion, so I can know not to overdo it with the glue and, you know, make my forehead look extremely little. Like I don't want my hairline to be next to my eyebrows. So I'm just going to go ahead and line it where I want it to be. You guys probably can't see it, but I can see it. So that's really all that matters. But I'm going to go ahead and use the Ghost Bond and a Rattail comb and just start placing the glue around my hairline. Well, where pretty much in front of my hairline. So this is not going on my edges. This is not going on my hair. It is going in front of my hairline, right in front of it. So I'm just going to smooth that out with the Rattail comb. And then you want to make sure that the glue is very smooth. You don't want it to be bumpy, lumpy, none of that. The smoother it is, the better the application is going to be. And if you do not like wait until the glue is fully dry, you will have like little white looking residue underneath your wig, so you'll be able to see it. So make sure you guys just take your time with this. This is pretty much it. Just because the video is sped up doesn't mean I'm not taking my time, but yeah, this does take a while to, you know, get the hang of it and everything like that. So practice makes perfect. So now I'm just going in and putting my second layer. I believe I only did 2 layers with this unit. I wasn't wearing it all day. I was literally just wearing it and putting it on for the purpose of this video. So yeah, so I just put 2 layers. You can put 3. I believe the directions just say put 3 layers for, you know, a better hold. Only put 2. Also, I did put makeup on my lace front. So I'm pretty sure, see, as you guys can see, it's like on my lace. So I did put a little bit of makeup on there as well, because I didn't, I don't think I tinted the lace to this unit. I don't remember, so I just put the makeup on there. Anyway, so now we're just gonna let, you know, the glue dry and wait till it's clear to pull the unit down. I'm over here being crazy, really rocking and stuff. So now I'm just going to go ahead and place the wig down. I could have honestly pulled the wig down a little bit farther, but I didn't. Like right when I did this part right here, it was literally already stuck onto my head. Like I could feel it. It was like a little snug. And so now I'm just going to go ahead and use my Rattail comb again and start combing that in. So I'm like putting a little bit of pressure, not too much, just so I can melt that hair into my skin. So also I did comb a little bit too much near my part, and I don't know if that's what made it turn white, but I could just see a little bit of white right there. But you know, that's nothing that makeup cannot fix, so that's a plus. So I'm just gonna go in with that and just keep pressing, you know, to melt that into my skin. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take my satin scarf and wrap my edges. I did not cut the lace off yet. I'm just wrapping my hairline just so, you know, I can make sure it's secure and everything. And you want to pretty much do this for like 10 minutes. Or you can just, if you ain't got your makeup done, you know, do your makeup, then come back. So yeah. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take the scarf off and we're going to start cutting. So I also cut in the center, just like how I cut my cap. And then I also cut on my temples. Well, near my temples. So I feel like this is a lot easier for me to do. So yeah. Also, when you're cutting your lace, you want to make sure it's not in a perfectly straight line. You want to make sure it's like a little bit zigzag, you know, uneven, just so it won't be a super harsh line. Because you have to remember with lace, this is not like, it's pretty much an illusion for lace fronts. So a lot of people think that, oh, the lace is going to disappear. No, it's honestly just an illusion. So that's pretty much what you want to do. You want to make sure you cut it, you know, a little sloppy, I guess you can say, zigzag motions. You can also cut it with an eyebrow razor if you don't have scissors. Alright, so if you do have some places that aren't all the way glued down, you can just honestly just take your Got2b spray and spray right on top of it, and it'll stick like crazy. Like, I don't like reapplying the white glue underneath. Like, that's just doing too much. You can literally just spray on top of it and it'll be glued down. So I suggest this tip. I haven't really seen anybody talk about it. I could be wrong, okay? I could be wrong. Don't quote me on it. But yeah, so I pretty much just take the Got2b glue, spray on top, and boom, it sticks. You know, honestly, this is like I believe my second time doing a glue install on myself. I usually do it on other people, but this is literally my second time only doing this. So I feel like, you know, I'm getting a little better, you know, but you know, practice makes perfect. So yeah. Then again, like all of my other wigs, I wear them glueless. People think I glue them down. I don't. My forehead is just humongous, so I can do that. And it doesn't come off, so yeah. Alright, so here I'm just really just cleaning the rest of that got to be glue off of my face with the alcohol wipe. And then I'm just gonna take one of my makeup brushes that I do my eyebrows with the concealer. I didn't put any extra makeup on it. I just literally just took the brush, picked it up, and just started drawing. If there was makeup on it, there's makeup on it. I didn't want to put, like, you know, a whole bunch of makeup on this wig. So I'm just pretty much just lining the part out with that. And then, yeah, I'm pretty much done. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video or found it somewhat helpful. If you are looking to, you know, install your wigs as well, if you guys do want to see how I install my wigs when they're glueless, leave a comment down below. Also, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and push on that notification bell so you'll get an alert every single time I do upload and you won't miss any videos. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we're almost to 1,000 subscribers. So hopefully by the time I post this, we'll already be there, okay? Make sure you tell your family to subscribe as well. You know, your girl is trying to get up there, okay? Thank y'all for watching. Bye.